Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Far Cry 5 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam client application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the Steam Store homepage. Now, from the homepage, in order to download this game, just click on the search box and just type in Far Cry 5 and start your search. Once you find the Far Cry 5 game, go ahead and click on it, and you will now be taken into the game page, where you can see the game trailer and all of the details. Just scroll down and you will find the various different editions of the game that you can buy, along with their prices. Just click on the Add to Cart button in order to add this game to your cart, and you can now click on View My Cart in order to proceed forward with your payment. Click on the Continue to Payment button and make sure you choose whether you are buying this for yourself or someone else. After clicking on Continue to Payment, you will be asked to choose your payment method. You can use your PayPal account credentials by selecting PayPal, or you can use your Visa, MasterCard, as well as American Express, Discover and JCB. After entering your card credentials as well as the expiration date and the security code, enter your billing information if you don't already have it within your profile. You can then click on the Continue button to verify your payment credentials. And after your payment has been verified and your purchase has been completed, the game will be added within your library. After the game is added onto your library, you can simply click on it to start the installation by choosing the installation directory. And once the installation and download is completed, you will be able to launch the Far Cry 5 game within your library. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Far Cry 5 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.